me say one for the 1 year yeah you go take by you wabeko school awie wabeko school also to what kwan saa ahoɔden mu kenkon atemdidie na waji mu masters atemdidie mu PhD. There is no amount of umame aboa kwase about the opa kofa umini Teletubbies name kitchen bloggers na academy mini ones no monye kwase abasa 1 year we will still fire first no near CMF.
And the weekend is going to be a very long weekend. Not next week. A very long week. If we say, Afia Vimlady, I better reply Kevin Okobadi Taylor. If I attend near Kevin Tana Edi Kuffour, Afia ko kind of Afia kind no. Kevin Tana Bedi Afia Temno. Afia so Abeboja. No kata Kevin we mate we tipe for every verbal breach in chair. You see wabe school. Ekra master of laws. What does it be? Ala wudi atem. I PENYAH broke me. That's what I said in you. Over like if you do not have a subscribe button, some click notification connect up. December to the wife and the mammy ever comment section. Over so. No she force any biash. Ebusana ke bibi. Bibi asi. Ye na tie je na sumdwe mu. Kevin Taylor. And about the show so. And then obe ready some serious attack against Kuffour. Kaya sebe. Kuffour hu na wo team no kwadworo na ye na onyare na o abrochira bada na tifia duru enkobo basketball. Kevin can someone kasa. Man say be bubuja on the internet etinam so Afia Vimlady ebe condemn the action of Kevin Taylor against Kuffour.
The NDC, the onus is on you. The ball is in your court. 48 hours a chum. No apology, no condemnation of the attack, nothing. We are waiting for National Democratic Congress NDC. We are waiting for government to apologize to President Kuffour or condemn the statement now, attack on President Kuffour and dissociate yourself from the statement. NDC, me say the NDC government. We are calling on you, sir. It's been 48 hours since the vile, crass, abusive, unprovoked attack on President Kuffour's person and his image. And even the attack to suggest that we're Riesika. President Kuffour Riesika. Or Riesika Dabeng. Unwarranted defamatory abuse. Defamatory attack on President Kuffour. NDC and government, we are waiting for you to condemn it, dissociate yourself from the person and the statement. 48 hours a chum. We are waiting on you people. We are waiting on you people. Again, President Rollins said you President Rollins and Yakupon Fanny Cranes here. President Rollins were new President Kuffour age. Which and when you be answering and I or Jaya. Shasania Tamos, ya. Shasania Ghana, you swing, be sitting there, Afia, the whole type of Sanos. Say 18 President Kuffour age no kwa we nubi and okwa wheelchair no kwa we nyebi mu antena and okoye. We have lost great sons and daughters of this land. Aye nyaya nka de Yakupon mo montena se no montena wheelchair mu pom mayen. Na nye ye de. So we can benefit from their wisdom there be. Na wo de penny ni ofie kura na nye se wo nana ni mpon size. You decide to abuse him. And you see, this is a narcissist. This person is a narcissist. I don't know. Body na Yakupon dia man crash so ye bibini no mpe. Because then he proceeds to say that your friend say bronia. Bronia. Or your narcissist on your own be confident in ignorance. Very confident in ignorance. He sits in ignorance, sleeps in ignorance, wakes up in ignorance. And can we see bia obi enim kra nanti abrofu ya eni omote yetama hey and broni oti wiche muda. But this is a person who doesn't the word physiology no kontias yo bradima ontias ye atimdidie mu kenkon
Enu achi ana Kevin abufu e ne obaye no oba no raw obebo na adwen kire Afia Vimlady esa ka bi ka ho trying to say Kuffour wicked any ade never care last year 2025 ni mo ana free for scholarship eko USC that's the University of Connecticut okoto one school so koya LLM Masters of Law na 2026 na basi we school am be video abro update on that and the day of graduation say any esikoye
Afrifa Mensa
as we nyame adom enche na obebe fie na FIFA call school 1 year pa we was obebe fie no eno so and Afia Vimlady abegina na ne ode abetwi kamtele ni o say Kevin yenya o nedi opia atem wati penfo na ewie school no oba abrochire envisha bebreni obi aba 1 year pe or the master's degree of law Kuffour from Yukon University, a very renowned university in USA. Wabe baje masters of law Eddie Kuffour oda so fie oda so shekeche edi atem Vimlady abe clash with Kevin Taylor.
Abaye de botechi ni ye de bo ma president mama nti so obetena wa ye hwehan na wa ma obi esimi president Kuffour wa wonim se wo papa ne president Kuffour asem a wo agent yi katia president Kuffour nya no crack the Shrad report in 2006 in fact Alhaji Bature ya wenya ne baby ko Kennedy Ajafo Adamfo Alhaji Bature muti group will be see any investigation for the petition Shrad over president Kuffour hotel wawa na just president Kuffour tia konya so he could have used every means. Say me de sabe bo man ni sikam na me de akwakoye hotel or koji loan with Prudential Bank loan. So if anything crank I see a bond sema president Kuffour so okoji loan. Shrad Fred the matter at the time 2006. And this is the report that omode yinibaye. Or say number 1, the following observations and findings have been made in the investigation. This is Shrad investigation. Say number 1, the property popularly known as Hotel Kuffour, the hotel. Subject matter of the controversy is situated and they describe the hotel because you need to identify the hotel. The hotel was sold by Mr. Saud. Till hotel no Lebanese ni papa na ne ba ne ware Honorable Hendricks no. Ono ton total sum of $3.5 million. No mo de ton hotel no. Na subject matter baby esi ni ade. Mr. John Ado Kuffour, Chief Kuffour, established a company which was used as a vehicle for the purchase of the hotel. Into President Kuffour banner. Or one hour the company into the company no and a koji loan no mo de loan no ekoji ekoto hotel no the company Airport West Hospitality Center Limited President Kuffour ba Chief Kuffour no hotel company no tie no de koto hotel wa dan no because dan no masini dada o masini story building e wi aboso aye bibia just that windows ni ade nyina ni ho na papa ne so oton Lebanese ni no and President Kuffour ba no koto ya or the company name Ena Ekotoye company need the West Airport Hospitality Company Limited issued a certificate of incorporation. Now I registered the company 2002 or no register na dada. Chief Kuffour was the sole shareholder of the company. To own the company no na ono kwa President Kuffour ba no edia. Director say Chief Kuffour and Aninua Nanama Kuffour. Into Aninua Nanama and omo directors of the company. Nothing illegal. Establishing company no according to Ghana Company Act 1963 law no and almost say okay you better hotel no ya kopebo say ye niska ya president ma and ke betima ka che papa so nko wie sika mayen na ke ye fanto hotel but almost say there be ya kopebo sia o bank then you have the effrontery you have the audacity to come and sit there and say na we o man sika. Shame on you penny bien ufie decent person be in the caliber of President Kuffour, even President Kuffour in the caliber of Chief Kuffour. President Kuffour ne nana level could be new fienti John. O person will say obi din running it down as an home was sorry. Narcissist one run you be down one for be am bre obi sunsun ase when ni matem one fan madros a man supporter a man away wege and away him and away of no on and away say one fan do obi atema home one sorry. Oda wonna udidi anya ode abroni beye ni adwemone sunsumbone that is hunting you sunsumbone e hunting nti just wa bre obi asiasa na wo ani age wa bre obi sunsumase just say Samira enim now even politics aside that been about the president mama ko nyina baby say bi o kaseti Samira na political issues obi disagree no ajabe no papa say na me call raw Samira dross na we raw dross na we ne di wo say kasa crass language vulgar language abusive language eno na wonim forget omo betna a year screen so as they say because they lack the intelligence they cannot string together a sentence a statement of intelligible counter argument you know the omo be ya na say o mame o papa o fin papa o and I will the need rent but you ignore all a frustration to the point that many abema bobi answer o ye menua o onye nchen bobi answer Oye mini apa ya ko recruiting bobi ansakra so be join it because mini Teletubbies snake kitchen bloggers no omo hu atemdidie no sunti bobi enso be join it because it just beats my mind say mini apa bobi ansa can just pick a microphone and say that if you are a menopause na you know say witchcraft to first and foremost you can never shame me with menopause Allah aboni menopause nkwa wendru hu no wuye no so you can never shame me you can never attempt to put me to shame menopause ni ade a onyankopon abo amanipa so you can never put me to shame with menopause a frustration because initially time e buy say kania no bo no kosro so consumers ordinary Ghanaians are complaining about kania abo no start here or if we TikTok so no deal matters now once we came to point out to him say look there's a social contract now political science now why intia what politics I say there's a social contract between the president the governing party and the Ghana for them because they have every right to complain and why no who say no one copy be from and no shifty at the end of the call President Kuffour so else yeah kania abo ayeding doom so abba what has that got to do with President Kuffour who has left power for almost 20 years but because no person come at the President Kuffour, no chance throw the President Kuffour so and the young man ambasso exposing propaganda. No, you see that no be said in the video be man was yeah diversity taxes and then I would we are exposing your incorrigible ignorance. We are exposing your propaganda. We are exposing your lies. But we are staying on business. Oh, yeah, exposing your lies in that we are not following you to your diversity tactics. We are exposing your lies, but we're staying on business. Talking and they say I'll talk about the public debt. We'll talk about that. But because person you become but the NASA is to say doom so can they ensure say able to talk and then answer many make a sign of friend come down do me. We will continue to talk about that. Car lorry fare costro. Say GPRT ni other groups across here more because petrol no there's no reason why they should not increase their fares. We will continue to talk about it. There is no amount of omame aboa kwasi about the opa kofa umini Teletubbies name kitchen bloggers na academy mini ones no monya kwasi abasa 1 year we will still fire first no near CMF about 5 years or 8 years you have hounded you have insulted me cry there just say me cry there me class 1 and me there me from home come me there we do my terms and me onim krasa me doesn't even affect me because really it doesn't do anything to me because it doesn't change the facts of the matter which is that there's a social contract. In fact, Ghana your constitution they say media fund we have to hold government accountable for the people. One can say hold opposition or see constitutional or see we have to hold government accountable for the people. It's all for our government about and nobody has a right to hold your government accountable. I want to politics not to cut not count when you say what for the 1 year you could take by your Wabeko school review. Wabeko school. Also to what coin sa ahodimo kenkon atemdidie and awajimu the masters atemdidie mu PhD but you can't divert the same attention to books. To me for the same attention on konyansa ni nimbia so you family atem. So I am frustrated because sometimes people because this week say a lot of people have called me calling me busia for mon kan chefia on jai kitchen blog and asem kan and odidi atem do me say hey Professor PAV and Sano head School of Communication Studies and can't say me we shall descend into the pits of hell. We will fight you and deal with you and strip you of the corruption and ignorance. So we will climb back into the Eiffel Tower. Shit. We will descend into the pits of hell. Obetachi otumfo, obetachi asanteman, obetachi nkraiman, obetachi infantefo, obetachi any tribal group or Ghana. We will descend into the pits of hell. Deal with you. We are near froze or near Ohroyam. First, near CMFU. First, near CMFU. Now, did you attempt to say, Obi and Slobium? Because now, some people will say, because I realize, you want Kuffour to say TikTok, you come, matter, and Pacho, Miss Low, Mammy, come, no, Debbie. Now we will represent all those people and fight for them because of more voice. Yeah, you be face you. And the more you insult, the more that will expose your unintelligent, ignorant, but a first abusive, empty conco of a person that you are. Because of what intelligent counter argument, you can forcefully make your intelligent counter argument without one iota, one word of insult. But with default mode, no, because brain no baby a brain capacity draw no one clutch. The brain cannot extend any further. Into account one sentence, we are because they work here 1 episode or even 1 month. Ben no bet me without insulting anybody. That insult, no, done a joke. No, they go, hey, give you Angel a nice girl, hey, where they now a joke. That is the full capacity of the brain. No thinking, no intelligence, no attempt to read, no attempt to understand the issues, nothing. And can I of a fake document, I bet not a President Kuffour loan. When, like I showed you the record, and your company, Chief Kuffour company, on apply for loan. As we see in Jao, never painting at Ariasha President Kuffour say, where you're from for, Wako Yesika, and you know, you're lazy, no, take a wheelchair, and I said, you don't for the piano. And when we stopped you, you are so frustrated. I come not back and more not sorry. Frustrated because we have stopped you from defaming President Kuffour. We have stopped you from insulting President Kuffour. We have stopped you from abusing President Kuffour. We have stopped you from insulting PZ4. We have stopped you from insulting Asantimen. You know, better say, Otumfuo na ye Ghana problem, and Otumfuo na ye Galam say. Meanwhile, Senka, who nim dear. And now you appreciate knowledge. Even like I said, a cursory look, reading Minerals Act. And the Minerals Act would have showed you, say, Ghana, your gold, your bauxite to a diamond, even a moba cry, a pire boy, a license or Minerals Commission, because it's part of mining. It's classified as a mineral resource. Open to come back now, because I know 2 for a Ghana problem. And I said, you 7 predators, I'm a boat 2 for the Anama Musu. Sikaja Kufina Casamisrono. And to mean Cassentia Bibia, but quoting you come and say the 2 for an so much 7 Quasiasem say, can you imagine? Can you imagine using these words? Paid assassins. Me say, a Jumani Nani, or we paid assassins. Paid assassins who have equally recruited, subcontracted assassination, or Jumani character assassination. On Kobiti say Koffi Adoma ya paineni. A Koffi Adoma tini baby and Uncle Padaroma, ya 7-8 surgeries. Asana Koffi Adoma ni ba kuno create me poye eyi kakra edi. Then he insults Koffi Adoma and saying, ya go ejuma no, and then Koffi TV no kwa useless. And I tell them, what to be your interest? What to be so Koffi TV no go other people no money idea or GA21 for concern me omuni ho. Me say sa assassination of character embaso. Koffi Koku Baako Malik, Alaji Koku Baako Malik onam ho. He's a walking encyclopedia. Who did Koku Baako attempted enye who did Koku Baako attempt till that kingdom come because I've seen videos on ye Koku Baako what Koku Baako has achieved. Who to me achieve 1 zillionth. Who to me achieve 1 zillionth. Because it's not about Kikemu. It's not about PhD now. No, it's about contribution to national development. And Koku Baako is in a class of his own. Yamma can say, "Men me determine Ghana the obekasa. When I be determine the obekasa. When I be determine the obe criticize it. When I be determine what the person people should criticize about. Now when out your views. When out your lawyer MOB. The impudence of a dying cockroach. A country man song go best here. O concombility. Your concombility. Who now be determined time will be complaining. Anytime I'm more being complaining, we will stop you in your tracks right there, right now. But see, first, for so many years, the 2020 elections, Akwesi Mema Kwasasa election results. Obi anadwene don low IQ. On ready onim electoral processes no on election system. As I say, elections elections are your collated results no polling stations. Near the collated results no pink sheets no. Yeah, the aba collation center. Edu collation center ni collating ni na. Yeah, the aba he. First a strong room. I want election commission. Now we is new one. They have set up a regional umbrella too. So from polling station to collation center to regional collation center, and national EC collation center. But on Tiasia, Aqua way to me, but now that dying this if so just mini bloggers and say, I feel poker. What could change Mahama election results? Now Mahama winning or the Mahama Diana Kuffour, no dear Kuffour Diana Warreno, I'm Mahama. Then the people had the audacity to come back to UTV, say about the book, you be share as they go if you're poker because even I reported to the police headquarters CID.
I'm actually Jonas as Abaki can be Eddie account.
Obviously, the way you are in, the way I would do Mahama, I'm not bet you won't try. John Mahama, you can't kind. ontimi nkama se mosuro me wakwa kwachi Kevin Taylor odi Kuffour atem so otihwimu Kuffour nam 90 years 90 years old otihwima. What is the news about obi a wadi sanfie no tieri amecho no Kuffour odi na tem Kuffour a obeye den obebe ode Ghana Kuffour odi ne compare fa no compare jeje emfa no compare jo mama kronfo odi Kuffour compare jeje no no nso nim nyansa oyi kwan otwe light ko nkurase obeye omanye na jo mama ono oba ya trumu kra nkwasiafo yi ontime mpama omo odne kwasia ne na mo so omo so se on obi bedi ni trumu enye na sem 24-hour economy atonsuo waba oko 2 years ontime nya hwe wo Ghana ho enti sa nipa we a wo ye kronfo no emfa ne mekompe obi a wabọ brati se Kuffour se de America wa dia se obi a wabọ brati se Kuffour betina so me ka kire wo ni nua adokofo na osisi hospitals ministries Kuffour emergency esiwe omusi yenye nso da so ye ultramodern eno ne friend leadership joma ma kwasiampanyini Akuffour adokra esi wagime no ono hospital a oya aje na 111 wa banka hunyansa to aso do kwase ya begina se na ni kwa nyansa bi ya nim se Akuffour ado start 111 hospital ba nyansa wom se obeso aga na sika dia koto excavator amachama ayefeze Ibrahim ama boa so fanko egalam se oda aman any black voter ti amecho no.
But weekends we any every Monday elko came to the elko back. The week will be very long. Now, if you have made so up prepared and say Obama match Kevin Taylor, boot for boot. So the wide if mama comment section. I PENYAH Media.